To perform a test transaction in Authorize Net Sandbox, you will need to set up a Sandbox account and obtain a Sandbox transaction key and ID. Start by logging into the Authorize Net website and navigating to the Sandbox section. Here you will be able to create a new Sandbox account and obtain the necessary credentials. Once you have your Sandbox credentials, you can begin the process of performing a test transaction. The first step is to configure your payment gateway to use the Sandbox environment. This will typically involve entering your Sandbox transaction key and ID into your payment gateway. Settings. Next, you will need to create a test payment form that will be used to collect payment information from your customers. This form should include fields for the customer's name, address, and payment method. You can use a pre-built payment form or create your own using HTML and CSS. With your payment form in place, you can now perform a test transaction. Start by entering some test payment information into your payment form. You can use a test credit card number such as 4,111,111,111,111,111 or 5,105,105,105,105,105,100. You will also need to enter a valid expiration date and security code. Once you have entered your test payment information, submit the form to initiate the test transaction. The transaction will be processed through the Authorize Net Sandbox environment and you will receive a response indicating whether the transaction was successful or not. It is a good practice to test your payment system thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. You should test different payment methods and scenarios to ensure that your system can handle a variety of transactions. You should also test your system's error handling to ensure that it can handle declined transactions and other errors. In addition to testing your payment system, you should also review the Authorize Net Sandbox documentation to learn more about the Sandbox environment and how it can be used to test your payment system. The documentation provides detailed information on how to use the Sandbox environment and how to troubleshoot common issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can perform a test transaction in the Authorize Net Sandbox and ensure that your payment system is working correctly. This will help you to identify and fix any issues before you go live with your payment system.